Students, we are on the page number 2, the second part of our chapter number 1st, a thief story. And now Hari Singh and Anil are staying together. Okay, and Hari Singh is working for the Anil. So first line, it was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply, usually making a profit of about rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So students, Hari Singh is working for Anil, and whenever he went to the market, and Anil gave money for buying the things, and in that sequence he kept the remaining money, and he know that Anil know this thing that Hari Singh is kept money, the remaining money, but he did not mind these things. Okay, this thing, Anil made money by fits and starts. It means अनिल का जो पैसे कमाने का तरीका था ज़िंदगी के लिए वो irregular था. Fits and starts means irregular. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So students, first he wrote the magazines, and when he wrote the magazines, he borrow the things or borrow the money, and when he got the check, he make a payment to the people. So it is a very strange way of living according to Hari Singh. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So one day Anil sold a book, and he came with a bundle of notes and told to Hari Singh that he had just sold a book to a publisher and kept the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So student, this is very important, because Hari Singh is saying that Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. It means अनिल उस पे बहुत ज़्यादा विश्वास करता था. किस पे? हरि सिंह पे, जबकि हरि सिंह एक चोर था, और हरि सिंह इस बात को समझ रहा था कि अनिल मुझ पर बहुत ज़्यादा विश्वास करता है. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It was easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he is been robbed, and that takes all the pleasures out of her. So in this para, Hari Singh is explaining that it is very easy to rob a greedy man, because a greedy man react in a very extravagant manner, but it is very difficult to rob a careless man, because he doesn't take notice that he had been robbed. And when the Hari Singh met this kind of man, he didn't find enjoyment in his work. Okay, well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So now Hari Singh want to steal the money, and he is giving the arguments to himself for stealing the money, like he will waste the money, he doesn't even pay him, like that. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face mine were mostly scares. Okay, so in this paragraph, Hari Singh is saying that Anil was sleeping and a moonlight was there on his bed, and he take the money. He is thinking that if I take the money, I can catch the train of Lucknow Express. So he go closer to his bed and take the money. He is seeing that he was watching the Anil face that was very clear and unlined, and Hari Singh has many scare marks on his face. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out with a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. So Anil put his hand under the mattress, take out money, and startled and quickly crawled and run away from the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes on at my vest, held there by the strings of my pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So students, he theft 600 rupees, and when he was on the way, he counted the notes and he put the notes in his pajamas. So students, when I was on the road, I began to run. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up the speed, and I should have been able to jump into the carriages. But I hesitated for some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So students, now Hari Singh is on the station and he had a chance to catch the train, but for some reason he couldn't catch the train. He hesitated, but he can't explain the reason why he is hesitating. He had a train in front of him, but he didn't want to catch the train, and he doesn't know even the reason why he doesn't want to catch the train. So we can imagine, or we can think that it is the inner voice of Hari Singh that stopped him, okay, to catch the train.